If you have an older car with a key like this, you might be one turn away from this thing just snapping off right in your hands as you turn the ignition. If that happens to you, you're not alone. It happened to me too. And today I'm going to save you from making the same mistake I did when I was trying to fix it. All right, friends, if your key fob looks like this and it's for an older car and it's falling apart, here's the deal. The metal works, the electronics inside still work, but the plastic case, completely shot. So what do? Option 1, you just tape it together. Don't. It won't hold. It gets worse. It just won't work. Option 2, go on Amazon and grab one of those $6 replacement shells. I did that, and there's tons of them out there. Cheap knockoffs, usually single screw designs made from very soft plastic. And here's what happened to me. After replacing it, the case split again. What was I going to do? Look for a redesigned case. Instead of the cheapest option, just spend a few extra more dollars with 4 screws instead of 1. Thicker, harder plastic. These hold up, makes a big difference. And swapping everything over takes just a few minutes. No programming needed. Just move the internal components into the new shell and you're ready to go. Probably for another 100,000 miles without worrying about it falling apart every time you turn the ignition. If you like this kind of content, it would really help us out if you liked and subscribed. At Midwest Mentors, we share our mistakes so you don't have to make them too. May God bless.